All right, we start by letting you know, grab the umbrella. Rain is on the way. For some of you, the rain is here. Our weather kid, she is ready to go. This is Serenity. Mama tells me Serenity likes to watch News Channel 5 in the morning before she switches over to Bubble Guppies. But we appreciate the time she does share with us. 49 degrees for us now, and then that temperature making it to about 63 a little bit later in the day. But Serenity, we appreciate you helping us out in the morning. Here's what you need to know. 2 rounds of rain on the way. That first round this morning, heavy rain, some small hail. I'm not going to rule out a severe storm warning this morning, but the greater risk for severe weather is in a 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. time frame. That's when we could see wind, hail, isolated tornadoes, and heavy downpours. We head to the west side of town right now. This is our camera from St. Thomas West. 47 degrees, clouds thickening there. Now, there may be a few sprinkles out toward Belle Meade, but as you heard Rebecca say just a moment ago, streets are wet from the T-Dot cameras out in Bellevue there for us this morning. So scattered showers, a thunderstorm not out of the question, and then the rain threat picking up throughout the course of the day. So here's that risk right now from the Storm Prediction Center. Wind, hail, isolated tornadoes. The 2 out of 5 risk is from Nashville down to our south. Now, if you look at this map, anybody in the News Channel 5 viewing area running the risk of severe weather today, but that threat a little greater. And part of that focal point will be just determined by how far north a warm front to our south lifts into the mid-state a little bit later today. But right now, ahead of that warm front, here comes the rain. Columbia, Lawrenceburg, you've got rain. Rain with lightning, although a greater cluster of lightning just south of the Tennessee southern state line. Still, though, nothing severe, but again, I'm not going to rule out a strong thunderstorm with that. But here's that warm front I was talking about. It will lift northward. The question is, how far north? Earlier in the week, the models had this all the way into Kentucky. This morning, it shows it may be right along I-40. So how far north that front goes will determine the extent or the focal point for the severe weather threat later. But here's a look at exact track for us this morning into the afternoon from west to east, the threat for severe weather. Then we begin to die out or dry out as we head toward the early morning hours of Wednesday. Today, 64, tomorrow, 65. We're going to keep an eye on Saturday. Look at Friday, 81. But Saturday, another round of strong storms could be possible. Our weather artist today, this is Ansley Bruce, a 3rd grader at Capshaw Elementary, with the rain and the lightning coming down. That's over in Cookeville where Capshaw is at. Meanwhile, if you want your school on our list for School of the Day, hit me up with an email, lelan.statham@newschannel5.com. Right now, the time is just about 7:24.